Hey, today I'm showing you how to build this modern Lego bed. Start off by getting a 2x3 plate and a 1x4 tile and place it right there. Then placing a 1x3 plate in the center. Then get another 2x3 plate and place it on the right side. Placing a 1x4 tile right under the other one. And place a 1x2 tile on the right side. Get a 1x1 studs on the side piece and place a 1x3 tile on top. Place a 1x3 brick right there. Place a 1x2 tile on the right side. And another studs on the side piece. Get a 1x3 plate and stack a 1x2 plate right under it, placing a 1x1 plate on the left side. Connect this to the right side of the build. Then get two 1x1 plates, stack them on top of each other. Connect it to your build, and repeat that one more time. Then connect a 1x4 brick to another 1x4 brick, and place 1x1 bricks on each side. Connect 3 studs on the side pieces on a 1x3 plate. And place a 1x3 tile right there. On top of the 1x1 plate, place the studs on the side piece and repeat that one more time. Connect one of them on the left side and one on the right side. Then connect the headboard to the rest of the bed. The final step is to get 4 1x1 round plates and connect them on each studs on the side piece. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.